Alright guys, I haven't played Tony the Tiger for a minute. Mr. Progressives. I have free play. But I put in a ticket for $37.96 because I didn't have any change. I didn't cash it out, so alright. Anyways, wish me luck. I'm gonna probably do like $2.50 and $5 bets. Alright, again, wish me luck. Let's go. This game is usually like tough. I don't know why I chose this game, but hopefully it's good to me today. We need 3 or more lanterns and 6 or more of those emeralds. One more. Hey, at least it lined up. Nice. Hallelujah, holla back. Oh, I'm surprised they usually here the grand stays at 10,000 and surprisingly they fixed it. Wow. Okay, don't do this to me, man. Anything. $5. Anything. Jerk face, man. What a jerk. $65 isn't bad. Okay, I'll do it back spin. Okay, let's keep going. $215 right there. Can we get a lantern bonus on a $5 bet? I just gotta keep track of my free play. Try to do one more spin. Do it. My last spin too. That's what I'm talking about. On a $5 bet too. Come on. Line it up. Come on, Tony. Come on, do it. Yes. Oh. This is good. Come on, Tony. You trigger at least. Tony. Oh. End it with a bang. Or not, man. Should I do it back? I'll do 3 backup spins. Okay, let's listen on. Let's do a nickel. We're gonna do 125, 250, and 3. lady just got up from the game next to me. It's a maxed out major. Somebody just grabbed it already. Yeah. Let's go. Line it up. Why couldn't this be on a $5 bet? How much is this? Okay. Or a $375 bet. How is this bonus better than the $5 one? That's a shame. Backup spin. Alright, let's continue. Nice. One more. Okay, so last spin right here. Let's go to here. We'll do 150 and 250. Yeah, sorry, I can't even talk right now. I'm trying to pay attention to my free play. $1. I'm rich. Come on. Do it. Hopefully this video is not copyrighted. One more. That was a major that just went by. Got a couple spins left. Can we make it to 300? So close, 300. Let's go. Do it. Oh, I got one more spin left. Even though it says it's over, I'll do one more. 300. Oh, okay. This is what I got with my free play. Cashing out. Not bad. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.